In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to do a poll on Snapchat. If you're new to our channel, subscribe and turn on the notification in order to not miss any videos from our channel. Now let's get started. Open up the Snapchat app on your phone. Now capture a photo or video, or simply you can pick one from your gallery. After that, tap on pencil icon on the bottom left of the screen. Now from this page, tap on sticker icon and from there tap on poll option. Now you can ask a question whatever you want to, and you can also change emojis by tapping on it and pick emojis that you want to keep. After you're done with it, press on tick button on the bottom right. You can drag and place wherever you want to, and also can resize this. And you can also add on some text, music to it, and once you're done with editing, tap on next button. And here you can pick particular friend that you want to share with, or you can simply tap on my story to share this with everyone, and then tap on send on the bottom right of the screen. And then head over to your profile and check the story. And that's how easily you can do poll on Snapchat. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back soon with new videos. Thank you for watching.